I accidentally put my hand on their hive today, and I got stung in one spot on my leg. And I backed off. The other honeybees were dive bombing me, and I was like, I'm sorry, dudes. And they were knowing I got the message. And one honeybee sacrificed his life because they know if they sting, their stinger gets ripped out of their abdomen. And a honeybee hive is a lot like the nation of Israel. They will sacrifice one for their own. One time, one was sacrificed for the whole nation. Right now, there's a lot that want to annihilate Israel, and it doesn't want to mess around. I didn't want to mess around with these bees. I was like, I'm sorry, guys, and they left me alone, and I backed off. But anyone that wants to steal the whole hive, anyone that wants to cut down the whole tree, you're going to get more than just a sting in the leg of the short pants I shouldn't be wearing up in this tree. And they deserve to be stung thousands and thousands and thousands of times if they don't get the message.